Well, hello there again to all my subscribers. I just thought I'd do a follow-up video on the noise that my Chevelle was making, and this is it. This is my flywheel out of my small block Chevy. That is in the Chevelle, which is up on jack stands, but I'll get to that here in a second. But yeah, this was all that was keeping this puppy together. Well, pretty much the bolt heads were up against the metal, keeping this broken away part from spinning out of control and busting my bell housing and all that good stuff. So I was making that clunking. That's sweet, isn't it? Even cracked it right through there. It was ready to go. I think if I'd have probably started it about a half a dozen more times, I think it would have went. But it's hard to say how old it is. But things just happen. I hear that bad torque converters do that, and I did replace a torque converter here a while back. B&M Whole Shot 2500 stall. It was bad. So, but now let's get on to the Chevelle. I'll show you why it's on jack stands. I decided to get it out after I put the flywheel in it, and I was coming home and I was at the red light in town, and I decided to pull a whole shot, and I got a real nice bite, real good launch. Next thing I know, I hear my exhaust hit the ground. So my bolts came loose out of my collector. This piece of pipe was spinning behind me, but not before I ran over it. And this nice sharp part of my U-bolt here tore a nice gash in one of my tires here. I might be able to plug it, I'm not real sure. It's pretty bad, but the hole's no bigger than the tire tool, so I think I can plug it. But yeah, not too lucky. It was on my vacation week, because I did all this work to all my cars and got everything caught up, and then this great thing had to happen. And when I ran over the pipe, it came free from this pipe. It goes back to my homemade muffler, which sound pretty good, by the way, but she's pretty bent up now. This pipe was facing completely backwards, and I had to call a tow truck come get me, and I had to loosen up this clamp to get this off here. So I might reuse this on something else maybe. So, and I have a set of trailing arms for a stabilizer bar for on the back, but that's going to be another day. So that was an interesting day. It was nice and hot out that day too. So I'll go ahead while I'm here and do a cold start for y'all. Get my key ready here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, gotta be careful getting in here. It's only on jack stands. Let's pump her a couple times. Here we go. Here we go. Fire and hold. Oh, if that didn't get you chubbed up, nothing will. Oh. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah, if I can't fix that tire, I guess I'll get on eBay here and I'll buy a new set, I guess. I have a decent price on some 275 6015s on here, and when the tow truck was dropping my car off here, a little bit of gas ran out of my neck of my filler pipe here, as you can see on the paint. It took some of the chrome off my nuts. Oh my God. So here we are. We got one muffler in there now. So give me a like, give me a hate. I really don't give a shit. But it is what it is, I guess, and we'll do a video when I get her all on the road here, and I'll do a few, and I'm tearing this big block down I have to put in it. I let the cat out of the bag. I have a 454 big block I'm going to build for this. As everybody has been squawking about how I should put a big block in this car, well, the time has finally came. I have a big block out of it's a 6th generation 454. It's a Vortec. The heads suck on it, but I'm going to put some goodies in it and give me a good set of heads, and I'm going to see what we can get her to do. The adventure continues. So all of you have a good one.